Hi, my name is Barbarella. Welcome to this week's diary entry called Assembly Accomplished. In this video, I will prove to you that I did in fact assemble a grill. Wine is an important part of putting together a grill. 99-pound box blocking our entryway. We have to get this box.
You turn around, say goodbye,
Stairs.
and travel into space.
A Weber Q320 to be exact. And though I allowed David and our friend Jen to carry it up the stairs, putting the thing together was my responsibility.
You arrive at 3 rows of lights that stretches indefinitely in all directions.
Okay, we got all kinds of stuff. A screwdriver, Phillips head, a hammer, and the mysterious wooden block. Wait,
Right there, right there.
Did you stick the wooden block under the... I don't get it. What? Under the thing? I don't...
Under the wheel.
This is dumb. David had reservations about my ability, but after seeing the instructions, I knew it was just a matter of following along with the pictures and that this would be a lot easier than I thought.
Because I can actually do this. I follow directions well. Word.
I hope it's just gonna go over this stuff.
I need something that looks like this. Because look how tiny that one is. This isn't very tiny. Yeah, why didn't you tell me to throw it up there? This is a horrible.
I've assembled so many of these wheelie things.
I got it through there. Right there we go. This is not a hammer.
With Jen as my trusty assistant, I continued following the illiterate-friendly owner's manual until all those plastic and metal pieces started coming together and looking more like the picture on the box.
It's like looking like a grill. Alright, there you are.
I'm making a grill. We'll cook on it.
Makes you feel real good. Let's get happy. Makes you feel real good. Let's get happy. Makes you feel real good.
Damn, I'm good at this. You are amazing.
What's the deal with putting on the knobs? Oh. What? Oh, fucking shit. Hey, Mom.
Okay, you gonna connect it?
It was less than an hour from the time the box was carried up the stairs until we were looking at a completed, ready-to-use grill. But I made it clear to David that though it was a cinch for me to put together, he should not disillusion himself with the idea that I will ever use it to cook. See, I'm of the belief that cooking is a man's job.